Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Haley and I create content around fashion, lifestyle, travel and beauty. So if that's something you are interested in, do join this happy community. And today I am going to speak about some of the body care and hair care empties I have used up in 2024 and initial few months of 2025. Now, I previously created a video wherein I've talked about the skincare empties that I've used up in 2024, and I will link it somewhere on the screen. So in case if you missed it, do go and check it out. Uh, okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video because I have quite a lot of products to show you guys. This basket is literally overflowing. So let's get started with our first product. And the first product is this Palmolive Aroma Sensations Mineral Massage Shower Gel. This is with sea salt, aloe vera, and peppermint, which lathers really well on your skin and it cleanses your skin really well. So after taking shower, you really feel refreshed on, especially like on hot summer days. Because of the fragrance, it makes it even more suitable for the hot summer days because it has very refreshing aqua kind of fragrance. Plus it also has very tiny particles of scrub, so it really helps to exfoliate your skin, and it is still suitable for daily usage because the scrub particles are not very harsh. So yeah, this is the first product. I highly recommend you try this product and I really thoroughly enjoyed it. Plus this bottle has lasted me such a long time because it lathers up really well. So you just need a tiny amount on your loofah and it's enough to cleanse your entire body. Now, going on to another shower gel. So I will try to like talk about the same category of products in one go just for ease of comparison. So this is another shower gel from Bath and Body Works, and this is the rose variant. This is their moisturizing body wash, and I remember buying it sometime in December 2023 during the Christmas sale. There is one particular time during the Christmas season wherein Bath and Body Works products are only for 12 or $13, and they have a lot of ranges on discount. So that time I pick up all of my moisturizing lotions and body washes. So that's the time I picked it up, and it has lasted me for over an entire year. I mean, there is still some product left. I can still use it for 3 to 4 times because it just takes a tiny amount of product to really lather up on your entire body. But the fragrance of this product is really, really amazing. I mean, we all know that Bath and Body Works products are just amazing when it comes to fragrance. I mean, if you really want to smell fresh throughout the day and if you really struggle with your body odor, you can, definitely go for it because the fragrance stays for a really long time. It also helps to, make your perfumes last longer. I also had a body mist in the same range, and I'm just going to be finished with that one also. And I really enjoyed using the combo of it. Now, this one against the Palmolive body wash, like Palmolive body wash is in a gel kind of formula, and this one is more like creamy formula, but both lathers really well. But you still need some amount for this one on loofah to cover your entire body. But for this one, you just need one drop. So I would say this one is more suitable for people with strawberry skin or a lot of dead skin cells. And this one is more like creamy texture. So if you have like really dry, patchy skin, or you are, you want to use a good moisturizing body wash during winter time, then you should go for this one. If you are looking for a refreshing body wash for summertime, you should go for this one. Okay, so these are the two products. Plus, the price difference is quite huge, but this one lasted me not more than 4 to 5 months, but this one has lasted me for around 13 to 15 months. So yeah, that's the comparison. So you can accordingly choose. Next product empty is this Nivea Body Milk Nourishing Lotion. Now this claims to moisturize your skin for 48 hours. Now this is nothing fancy, just a basic like Nivea moisturizer. The fragrance is the same. The moisturization is really good. But what makes it special is that because we are in Singapore and it's a really humid country, and I particularly have very oily skin, so I don't prefer anything which makes my skin feel like chipchipa. And this is very lightweight because it's a body milk, so it's literally like a milky consistency. I mean, I don't know if there is any product left, but let me try to take it out and show it to you guys. So yeah, this is the product, and it just melts into your skin. So the fragrance is not very strong, and I really enjoy good fragrance when I'm going out. So when I on days when I don't want very heavy moisturization on my skin, and I just want like basic moisturizer when I'm going to stay at home, I'm not going to apply perfume, I just use this one. Other days I use the Bath and Body Works lotions, because that helps to make your perfumes and body mists last longer. So the next product I've used up is this Love Beauty and Planet's Onion Black Seed Oil and Patchouli Hair Fall Control Sulfate Free Shampoo. Now, when I first moved to Singapore, I was facing severe hair fall, and I really needed some product to rescue my hair fall. And in desperation, I went to this one because I had heard really good reviews about the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos, and this claims to be a sulfate free shampoo. So I thought since it's sulfate free, it wouldn't cause any more damage to my already weak hair. But to my disappointment, this was not at all helping with my hair fall. In fact, it made my scalp very dry and my hair very rough, brittle, frizzy, and very prone to breakage. Because it was rough and dry, it was very prone to breakage. So it actually made my hair fall worse. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone else. I really enjoy like products which cleanses the scalp really well and gives me that volume and takes the oiliness out of my scalp. But this one was really, really drying to my disappointment, and it has a very, very strong fragrance. Which I did not particularly enjoy. It's not normal shampoo fragrance. It's like very perfumey, very strong perfumey kind of fragrance, which I don't enjoy on a regular basis in my hair care product anyway. Love Beauty and Planet's other shampoos might be good. I haven't tried it, but this one, onion, black seed oil, and patchouli variant is not at all good. I wouldn't recommend it. Next product I've used up is this Sunscoop Hydrating Fluid Sunscreen. Now, this is SPF 60 and it's in a spray form. It's super lightweight, plus it has SPF 60, UVA, UVB, and PA 4 times plus. So it is really a broad spectrum sunscreen. If you're looking for only one sunscreen that you can use on your face and your body, you can really give it a go. I bought it in 2023 and November or December 2023 before going to Bali. I used it very heavily during my Bali holidays. After coming back also, I used it every time we went to beach, and we go to beach very, very frequently because we are in Singapore and we just love beach. So if you are going to go on a tropical vacation, or you are in a hot weather, and if you are looking for a sunscreen which is very lightweight, you can really give it a go because it's quite cost effective. It retails for around 499 rupees, and during the Nika sale you can get it for around 380 to 420 rupees. So really worth that price. Okay, so the next product is very, very exciting and my favorite product from this entire video. It's this Bath and Body Works Eucalyptus Plus Tea Body Lotion. Now, this is a repeat purchase in my household. My husband is not someone who really enjoys splurging on skincare and hair care products, but he is also a fan of this product. We love this product so much. First of all, look at the packaging. It's a glass bottle, and how gorgeous is the color. Second of all, the pump is really nice. Like if you keep it in a corner of your room, right? It just feels very premium, and it's just a really, really nice, nourishing formula. Plus, the scent is so like herbal and earthy. It instantly like calms you down. We have used the Eucalyptus Plus Tea shower gel also, and we bought it together. We somehow finished the body wash really early. As compared to this one, this has lasted us really, really long time. We still have some product left, but if you're someone with like if you feel anxious sometimes, if you really need something pampering for your skin, you can really splurge on this one. I bought it for the same price as the normal like tube body lotions because as I mentioned earlier, there are few times during the year wherein you get all the Bath and Body Works products for around $13, and that's when I usually prefer to buy this kind of products. I don't like spending like 24 or $28 on a body care product, but yeah, this is completely worth that money. I just keep on repurchasing it. Previously, I had the Eucalyptus plus Spearmint wala variation, and now I have Eucalyptus plus tea. Now, both these variants are not very different in terms of the fragrance, because the eucalyptus fragrance is very overpowering as compared to the tea or spearmint fragrance in the spearmint wala variant. But I highly recommend you trying this if you are, even distantly into skincare or body care. You have to give it a go. It's such a nice product. The next product empty is this the Body Shop a British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. As the name suggests, this is a gel based body scrub. It has really good fragrance. Like, I am not a person who enjoys floral and fruity scents a lot, but Body Shop ka rose wala range is something else. Their rose range fragrance is just so amazing. It just strikes the right balance between like musky and floral or fruity scents. Now, this is entirely empty, but I still have very strong fragrance. It's not too overpowering, it's subtle, but it still lingers onto your skin. The particles, the scrub particles, are like in a gel based formula. It really buffs away those rough patches and dead skin really well. Now, this is on a expensive side, but completely worth the money, because just a small amount goes a long way. Really lasts you a very long time. It leaves your skin feeling like mildly fragrant and very soft and smooth. It doesn't strip off your natural oils. It doesn't make you feel dry after using the scrub on your body. So really a big thumbs up from my side for this product. After that, we have another scrub, which is the Herborist Avocado Extract Brightening Body Scrub. Now, this one was gifted to me by my friend. She bought it from Bali. This is from the brand called Herborist. It is also available online here in Singapore. I am not sure if it's available there on Amazon. You can give it a try, like you can search it, or if I find it, I will link it down below in my description box. But really a good scrub. I used it after finishing the Body Shop rose scrub. I finished this one also. It's a tiny packaging. And another scrub that I'm using right now is also from Herborist. So yeah, it's a good scrub. It's very creamy as against the gel based formula in the Body Shop scrub. This is a very creamy scrub, and again, the scrub particles are not too harsh. So if you're looking for an affordable body scrub, you can definitely give it a try. If someone known to you is going to Bali, or if you are traveling to Bali, do check it out. And that brings us to our last product, and which is a very different product. It's a perfume from Adidas. It's their fruity, I don't know, the print is gone, but it's a fruity variant. And I just bought it out of nostalgia, because we used to use these, Adidas perfumes a lot back in the school days. And I thought of, just buying it again out of nostalgia. But I really enjoy the fruity fragrance of it, although I'm not a big fan of fruity fragrances, as I mentioned earlier. But this one is okay, like, as compared to the price, because it retails for around $6 or $7 in Singapore. So I'm sure you must get it for around 500 to 600 rupees in India. But yeah, it's a good everyday kind of perfume. The quantity is okay, and this is something you can carry in your small handbag also. So I used to carry it in my handbag whenever I used to go to office. just for reapplication. That brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my honest, unfiltered reviews on body care products. In case if you missed my skincare products, I will link it again here. Go and check it out. I have talked about a lot of products in that video, and do let me know in the comment section below if you have tried any of these products and what are your views on these products, or if you want me to try any new products in the future. I will try and give you guys my honest, unfiltered opinion, and I will come again with a new video very soon. I will see you guys again very soon. Until then, bye bye, take care of yourselves and do subscribe. Bye.